So this is Tolga's first wedding.
The only man Oh my God!
He's still a virgin.
Tolga,
My story?
yes.
My story. Help!
Too late, buddy. Too late.
There's gotta be someone out there that can help me, please. Oh no, I'm so happy I found the perfect woman. It's Walt Disney reincarnated.
The perfect woman for you.
Yes.
Not the perfect one.
Yeah, Christine's so amazing. She is absolutely crazy, insane, nuts, totally lovely. She's just absolutely caring. She does everything. She cares for everybody. Even the homeless people outside, I have to always say, Christine, that's enough. So if we have 20 bucks, she gives 10 bucks to a homeless guy so he can go buy beer.
Never judge.
Because you could be there.
Right, because I've been there.
So now I'm her official bullshit detector. So people can't bullshit her anymore.
Oh, but
Right?
you're confident.
Bullship
Pretty good.
detector. Oh, I hope
Yes.
so.
I will be protecting her. And
Yep. When I met him, I had one pair of shoes.
she still has one pair.
We're in progress now. I have two.
Where
She
did
now
those
has
other
2.
20 pairs go in your closet? Where are those?
No, the reason I'm saying that is the reason I had one pair of shoes and no cake pants.
Did you get her drunk?
No.
This is not like
because-
that
It's because I lost everything to being to not understanding who to trust and who not to trust. So that's the moral of the one pair of shoes.
Well,
Story.
let's see.
Yeah.
I lost everything. I was scammed and I was almost not here anymore. So this is my knight in shining armor. He's expecting. We have a baby coming.
Its name's going to be Mountain Dew.
Yeah.